Thank you for joining me to notice nature. During this time together, we always notice, think, and wonder. And right now, I'm wondering about my cucumber tent. And I'm wondering about something I could do differently with it next year. Here comes Cukie. I bet he could give me some ideas on what I can fix for next year.
Hello, Tiny Lee.
Hi, Cukie.
What is this? A cucumber sandwich?
Oh no, Cukie, it's a taco. Hey, let's go outside and look at the cucumber tent. Come on.
Sure, Tiny Lee. I noticed it earlier, and I'm wondering about the pots you chose to plant the cucumbers in.
Here are some cucumbers that I picked this morning. Cukie, what do you think of these cucumbers? Cukie. I don't know. Whew, we finally made it to the top. Look at all these blooms. That means we're going to get more cucumbers. And look at these cucumbers. They're going to keep growing and growing. But let's look back down there. Let's look at the roots. I want you to notice something about the roots and maybe give me some ideas on what I can do differently. Let's go ahead and check them out. Oh, here we are. Let's sit down and really look at what's going on with these roots. What do you notice? Can you see the roots? Where should the roots be? Why? Can you see the stem back here? Should you be able to see all these tiny white things? What's the point of the roots? Well, when you're planting a cucumber plant in a container, you have to take the roots into consideration and the size of them and how they grow. So they're going to go down, as we know, and the water's going to come up them. So in a cucumber plant, the water is usually, the feeding for the feeding roots, it's usually 6 to 12 inches under the top of the soil. So it's going to be about this far down is where most of those roots are going to get the water. But 12 inches is where you should have your container at least be 12 inches depth. So the depth should be 12 inches at the very, very least. Most of your feeder roots will go down to at least 18 inches. So feeder roots will grow between 12 to 18. Then you also have something called tap roots, and those go down far, far, far into the ground, 48 inches. That's 4 feet. 4 of the 12 feet is 48 inches. So if you're going to use your tap roots, then you're going to have to put your cucumbers into the soil, aren't you? Into the ground. Also, you're going to have these lateral roots on the cucumbers. And if this is the stem, they grow out from the stem this way, and they grow 2 feet, 12 inches, 12 inches, 12 inches, 12 inches, 2 feet out this way. So you're going to need a wider pot, aren't you, or a wider container. So when you're planting your cucumbers, you have to really take the growth of those roots into consideration and how far they're going to grow down under the ground. Let's take a look at the pot I planted these cucumbers in. What does it measure? 6 inches. What do you notice about this pot and the information about the roots from cucumbers? What do you think I should do? I'm wondering for next year as well. Or maybe I'm thinking, should I take these out, go in the backyard, dig some holes and plant them in the ground? I don't know, because my roots are growing up because they have no more room to grow down. I'm going to have to think about this one. Thank you for noticing nature with me today. I'm going to go in and see if I can find what Cukie's been up to.
Yum, yum, yum.